Good day, Jerry Service Center here again on a Monday morning. Again, we specialize in pickups and SUVs. This is what the workflow is like: pickup, SUVs, and van. So it's now 8:45, and we already have a Ford Ranger T6 3.2 service. We have a Nissan E25 van. It's pickup, vans, and SUV specialist. So we have a 3.2 Ranger. We have a E25 van, we have a Land Cruiser Prado, we have an X Ford Ranger here, we have an X BT50 there, we have an X Hilux here, and we have a couple others in the back. So if you want to get your SUVs or pickup service by a specialist who only deals with a lot of these vehicles and have genuine parts, give us a call. Right? Hilux, Ranger, Parallel vans, Prados, Rangers, BT50, give us a call. That is all that we do here. And we also specialize in Kia and Tucson, SUVs, Ceratos and Elantra. Give us a call. Hilux, Ranger, Ceratos, Sportage, Triton, Navara. Jerry Service Center, 6710713. We do diagnostic, we do transmission flush, we do engine rebuilding, we do suspension. We do a lot of suspension works in terms of diagnosing noise and squeaks, oil leaks, shocks, bushings, machine shop pressing in, pressing out. We do all the machine or the brake rotor. Everything done right on spot, alignment, everything computerized alignment. So give us a call. We handle up everything at our shop. Most of the time is a one-day service. We never pick up and delivery service and rental vehicles that you could use while your vehicle is being fixed. So again, SUVs pick up, panel vans, Prados, all these Hilux, Rangers, BT50. Give us a call, Jerry Service Center, Chase Village Main Road, 6710713.